Hi children, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is OGIVE curves. OGIVE, the spelling is OGIVE. Even though the spelling is OGIVE, we need to pronounce it as OGIVE. It is not OGIVE, it is OGIVE curve. What is an OGIVE curve? An OGIVE curve is the graphical representation of the cumulative frequency distribution in the form of a smooth, continuous freehand curve. Okay, there are two types of OGIVE curves. First one is less than OGIVE and second one is more than OGIVE. I will give you basic idea about these OGIVEs. Less than OGIVE, because it is the graphical representation, we need a graph sheet. This is what x-axis and y-axis. Point of intersection of coordinate axis is origin. While drawing less than OGIVE, we plot upper class limits on the x-axis. And cumulative frequency on y-axis. On x-axis upper class limit and on y-axis cumulative frequency we plot, and we will get a curve like this. This is what basic idea about less than OGIVE. Now more than OGIVE. We plot lower class limits on x-axis and cumulative frequency on y-axis. So on y-axis cumulative frequency only. If it is less than OGIVE, we plot upper class limit on x-axis. If it is more than OGIVE, we plot lower class limit on the x-axis. And after plotting points with a free hand, we join and we will get a curve like this. So this is less than OGIVE and this is more than OGIVE. Exercise 14.4, question number 1. In this they gave daily income of 50 workers and they asked us to draw less than type OGIVE service. So we need to prepare another table. Daily income in rupees. If it is less than OGIVE, we will consider upper class limit. So daily income we need to convert another table, we have to prepare. Less than, what is the upper class limit? 120. Less than 140, less than 160, less than 180, less than 200. Now number of workers. This is what frequency, and we need to prepare a cumulative frequency over here. First one, it is 12, less than 120, 12, less than 140 means we need to add these two, 12 plus 14, 26, less than 160, so 12 plus 14 plus 8, 34, less than 180, 12 plus 14 plus 8 plus 6, 40, less than 200. 12 plus 14 plus 8 plus 6 plus 10, 50. Now ordered pair. Less than 120, 12. So 120, 12, 140, 26, 160, 34, 180, 40, 250. Now we need to plot the points on a graph sheet. Here Our starting point is 120, 120, 140 like that. So we use a kink over here. This is what we call kink. Then I am starting with 120. One 160, 180, 200. Cumulative frequency 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Here upper limit. Here on y-axis cumulative frequency. The first point is 120, 12. 120, 12. 140, 26. 140, 26. 160, 34. 34 will be somewhere here. 180, 40. And 250. It is a free hand curve. So we join with free hand less than OZ. If you write points also, it will be better. 140, 26, 160, 34, 180, 40, 250. This is what? Less than OZ curve. Question number 2. In this sum they gave number of students and their weight in kg. Here they only gave less than 38. They did not give class interval. They gave less than 38, less than 40 like that. That means the given number, this is what? Not frequency, this is cumulative frequency. This is only cumulative frequency. Now we need one more column for this. What is that? Ordered pair. $38, 0, 43, 42, 5, 44, 9, 46, 14, 48, 28, 50, 32, 52, 35. So we have to draw graph. X-axis, y-axis, origin. So on x-axis we will take upper limit 38, 40, 42, it is like that. So we use kink. Here also we use kink. 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52. And y-axis the numbers are 0, 3, 5, 9 like that. So we take 4 table on y-axis. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, enough, up to 36 we need. Then on x-axis what we have taken? Upper limit. On y-axis cumulative frequency. Now let us plot the points. 38, 0. 38, 0. Because the y coordinate is 0, it lies on x-axis. 43, 42, 5. 44, 9. 46, 14. 14 will be somewhere here. 48, 28. 48, 28. 50, 32. 50. 32. 52, 35. 52. 35. So now we need to join the points using freehand. It is a freehand curve. Less than O0. Here I am not using graph sheet, children. So you are using graph sheet means you will get a nice curve. Okay, I am using a plain board here. Okay, then in this sum they asked us to find median from the graph, as well as using formula we need to verify the median. So here what is n? N is equal to 35. That means n by 2 is equal to 35 by 2, that is 17.5. Cumulative frequency we have taken on y-axis. So 17.5, from 17.5 from y-axis we need to draw a line which is parallel to x-axis. Here it is intersecting the curve. From there we need to draw a line, a perpendicular line to x-axis. Where it is intersecting the x-axis, that will be the median. If you see, this is 40, somewhere 46.5 something is the median. So median is equal to 46.5. This is from the graph. Now this we need to verify this from using. So from graph we got median as 46.5. That result we need to verify using formula. So they gave class interval like this and cumulative frequency. We need to find frequency. 0, 3 minus 0, 3. 5 minus 3, 2, 9 minus 5, 4, 14 minus 9, 5, 28 minus 14, 14, 32 minus 28, 4, 35 minus 32, 3. Now, n by 2 is 17.5. So, what is the median class? Median class is 46 to 48. L, lower limit of the median class is 46. F, frequency of the median class is 14. CF, cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class is 14. And H is the class size. Here the class size is 2. So median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. L 46 plus n by 2 is 17.5 minus CF 14 by F 14 into H is 2. 46 plus 17.5 minus 14, that is 3.5 by 14 into 2, that is equal to this 2 in 14, it will go 7 times, and 3.5 In 7 it will go 2 times. This is 46 plus 1 by 2, that is 46 plus 0.5. 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5, that is 46.5. In both the cases we got the same answer, that is from graph median 46.5. Using formula also we got exact value as 46.5. Question number 3. They asked us to draw more than OG for this data. Production yield in kg per hectare and frequency, number of farms, it is given. Because this is more than OG, so we need to consider lower class limit. Sorry, because this is more than OG, we need to consider lower class limit. So more than 50, more than 55, more than 60, more than 65, more than 70 and more than 75. We considered lower class limits of the class intervals 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. Then number of farmers means this is what frequency is given: 2, 8, 12, 24, 38, 16. In more than, if it is less than OG, cumulative frequency, by adding these two you will be getting. This is more than OG, so cumulative frequency means we will add from down to up. So 16 plus 38, 54, 54 plus 24, 78, 78 plus 12, 90, 90 plus 8, 98, 98 plus 2, 100. So cumulative frequency we will calculate from down to up. Now the ordered pair: 50, 100, 55, 98, 60, 90, 65, 78, 70, 54, 75, 16. Now we will draw more than OG curve. So here 50, 55, 60 like that. So we use kink. Here also we use kink. 50, 55, 60, 65, 60, 65, 70, 75. And here 10 we will take. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. We require up to 100. This is lower limit and this is cumulative frequency. Now we plot the points: 50, 100, 50, 100, 55, 98, 60, 90, sorry, 55, 98 and 60, 90, 65, 78, 70, 54, 75, 16, 75, 16. So it is a free hand curve. More than or 0. This is how to Draw more than or equal children.